Welcome back. In this session, we are going to see modulus. Let's go back from add modulus, and modulus is denoted as percentile. So the difference between division and modulus: division give you quotient value, and modulus give you remainder, whatever the remainder values are. So I'll take the same example and show both division and modulus. How does it work? So let's take the value of 10 divided by 2 and see in both ways what is the value of division value, and then what you get as a modulus. So let's put a divisional example, and in the below section we'll add a modulus example, and we'll try to compare and see what is the result. So in this case I had the same thing, and I have done percentage. So technically percentage, and here it is a division. So the quotient is 5 and modulus remainder is 0, believe. So let's save it and run. Yeah, before we run, let's check, update the comments. In this case it's modulus example, say modulus, and say modulus remove division, and say modulus example. This is division and this is modulus. So modulus is denoted by percentage, and divide is denoted by slash. Save it, come back to console, run, and it start executing. Chrome engine starts. It's time to check the values or variables. So if you see, when you divide 10 with 2, is quotient is 5, and when you divide 10 with 2, or modulus with 10 with 2, the remainder is 0. There is nothing remainder. So let's just change the number and make it here, instead of 2, let's take it 3, so that it can be correlated. I think you should get a number as 1 point something. So let's save this and then run it with the value, so that you can see it should give you a reminder as 1, right? So if you see here, the division value, which is 10 divided by 3, the value is 3.33335, and if you the same operation we did in modulus, the remainder is 1. The 1 is the remainder, so that remainder keeps on enabling to have your decimal values, but that's the remainder. So it's a pretty straightforward concept to achieve with respect to divide. It works very similar to division. The only thing is it gives you remainder back instead of getting quotient. So that's the difference between divide and modulus. So next example we'll see increment and decrement. See you in the next video. Bye.